The MCA Real Time Test has been added to all MCA instruments in the ATP lineup. The real-time test was originally developed as the core winding test in the first-generation Motor Genie. The real-time test delivers live, on-screen readings of impedance, current frequency, and phase angle, giving technicians immediate insight into motor health. No2 AC electric motors are identical, even if they are built in the same way. Due to this, ATP has discovered the need to test motors at multiple frequencies to guarantee viable results. Our advanced Ind and Z Phi tests automatically full scan across multiple ranges from 25 Hz to 400 Hz, and also provides partial scan at 800 Hz to find the ideal testing frequency for the motor being assessed. The real-time test offers a unique advantage. The real-time test offers manual control and real-time visibility at a single user-selectable frequency. This flexibility allows technicians to cycle through 6 available frequency ranges to uncover hidden issues and confirm the motor's true condition. This is especially true when a motor is found to be good at only one of the 5 fully scanned frequency ranges. The real-time test complements ATP's more advanced patented MCA methods of motor evaluation like the Ind and Z Phi tests. The industrial and Z Phi tests require a stationary shaft and an environment free from electromagnetic interference, EMI. When unstable readings occur, the real-time test helps identify whether the issue is due to shaft movement, EMI, or a developing fault. Real-world testing environments aren't always ideal. The real-time test helps technicians navigate common challenges. Shaft movement. In sealed systems using exhaust fans or water pumps, uncontrolled residual air or water flow can cause shaft rotation, leading to fluctuating impedance values. The real-time test detects this instantly, prompting the technician to isolate the cause before proceeding. Electromagnetic interference, EMI. Nearby inductive loads like transformers or AC controllers can distort readings. The real-time test reveals EMI through flickering or cycling values, allowing technicians to isolate the interference or relocate the motor for accurate testing. The real-time test is designed with the user experience in mind. Previously, with the old Motor Genie, data could not be saved on the device, and the use of the Motor Genie app was required. Now, the MCA Real Time Test presents the evaluation of the assessment and allows saving of a test in the device memory. For the MCA Motor Genie, you can now save up to 7 tests for easier data inputting into the Motor Genie app for report generation. With the AT34 and AT7, hundreds of real-time test evaluations can be saved and can be downloaded into ATP's MCA software for deeper analysis. Because of the rotor shaft design and how induction works, testing an AC induction motor while the shaft is stationary can sometimes give false negatives. Our phase balance feature helps eliminate this issue by allowing the shaft to be rotated during evaluation. This lets technicians use the MAC-Z function to measure all 3 phases at their highest impedance, ensuring rotor position doesn't affect the results and leading to more accurate diagnostics. To learn more about the science and testing of an AC induction motor, please see our tech tip number 8, Understanding MCA. Inductance and impedance unbalance.